MI-14002 UL Certified Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Installation. Remove the pre-installed decorative cover from the middle of the wall bracket on the wall arm to allow access to the bolt hole beneath. Loosen the top two nuts on the rear of the VESA plate and remove the single nut on the lower half. Lift the VESA plate up and off the mount arm. Using a stud finder, locate the stud and center the mount arm on the stud at the desired height. Use the bubble level to ensure straightness of the mount and mark the center of the 3 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the 3 provided lag screws and washers and tighten them until secure. Use a bubble level to ensure straightness of the mount and hold the mount arm to the desired location on the wall. Mark the center of the 4 mounting holes indicated here with a pencil. Use a 3/8 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Reinstall the decorative covers. For TVs with VESA patterns greater than 200 by 200 millimeters, use the VESA extension arms. Follow the configuration that matches your TV and secure the extension arms to the VESA plate using the provided bolts and nuts. Using the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers, attach the VESA plate in the orientation shown here and tighten until secure. Hang the TV back onto the end of the mount arm by hooking the top 2 bolts into the slots on the top of the arm. Then, tighten the 2 nuts on the top back down using the provided wrench. Reinstall and tighten the lower nut. Route the cables through the cable clips on the underside of the arm segments. To adjust the tilt of the screen, loosen the bolt on the side using the provided hex wrench. Then, tilt the screen to the desired angle and tighten the bolt back down.